guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my August Boxycharm Base box here. This is the $25 a month box, so I'm just going to be doing an unboxing and showing you guys what I got this month, but let's just go ahead and get on into this video. So I went ahead and took a sneak peek just so I could try out the makeup products ahead of time, that way just to save time, and also I could still give you guys an opinion on the makeup products in here. But here is the card this month. This is Go All Out. It's a pretty cute little card. Very summary. And of course on the back is the prices and the products. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the non-makeup products out of the way first. So first up is True from True Luscious. True Plus Luscious. This is a Flower Dose Plumping Lip and Eye Serum. So it looks like a syringe or like a needle. It really reminds me of like a needle, but it's like a syringe. Has like a tip applicator up here. It's like kind of silicone-y feeling. And this retails for $34. I'm not really sure what it means by plumping lip and eye serum. Like, how can it be plumping for your lips but be an eye serum? Like, is it going to make my eyes puffy? I would think not, so I don't really know what that means. But anyways, interesting product. I'm glad to have it. I'll try it out. And then I have something in here from Volitician, I think is how you say the name. And this is the Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. This retails for $49. I've heard of this brand before. I've gotten a product from them in Boxycharm before. It's a nice glass bottle. It's got one of those dropper applicators. I'm actually using their Snow Mushroom Water Serum right now to prime my face. And so far I like it, but they're very nice looking bottles. Alright, and then this one is technically a makeup product, but I'm not going to keep it because I'll just show it to you guys. So this is from Jacka Black, and this is the Play Pots. So this is a pink pearl shimmer finish. It's cream pigment for eyes, lips, and cheeks. If you know me, I don't like products that are like multi-purpose like usage. But here is what it looks like. I don't know. The color is just not really for me. I feel like these never really work. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Even though I'm not keeping it, I'll pass it on to family and friends, and they don't really care if I swatched it. It's very shimmery, so I don't see how this is going to like work for the cheeks, at least not for my skin tone. And it's just, I don't know. I don't know. It blends away, and I don't know. There's really big pieces of glitter in there, so maybe I could see it working for the eyes. I wouldn't use this on my lips because of how chunky and glittery it is. And I don't see how that big chunky glitter is going to really work out on the cheeks either. So, not impressed with this product, but this retails for $21.50. Last two products in the box are makeup products. So first up is the one that I actually picked out for my base box. And this is from Iconic London, and this is the Ultimate Bronzing Powder. If you hear any background noise, my dog's snoring. So I got to customize this product, and this is a really big, like on the picture on the website of Boxycharm, I didn't realize how big this bronzer was going to be, but it's huge. Like the pan size is huge. I did get to pick the shade, and I'm glad I went a shade up because I feel like if I went for the one that was supposed to be for me, because this is medium, this is the medium bronzer, I think it would have been too light for me. So I'm glad I went with this one. Anyways, this retails for $35, so I'm really, really happy to have this. I think this is my favorite product in the box. So pretty cool. I did test it out. I am wearing it right now. I really like how it looks on my face. Like I said, the shade works pretty well for me. But yeah, really excited to have this. And the last but not least is from Ditto. Never heard of this brand, and this is the Venus palette. And this says limited edition. This retails for $29.99. And this is what I used today to create my eye look. I think the palette is really pretty looking. Like, I love the planet theme that we got going on here. The pans look like little planets. I think it's really cute. I will say that I feel like they did kind of, because they did like smaller ones and bigger ones, there's a lot of like wasted space, but not too bad. And I did use it, like I said, to create this eye look here, and I really enjoyed this palette. So far, the shimmers are all pretty pigmented. We do have a couple of interesting shades that I'll swatch some. They're kind of like mostly glitter, but then you do have your like creamy shimmer shades. The only thing is this one only has about 3 matte shades, which I honestly don't mind because the colors of the mattes, so the 3 mattes are this one, and this one. By the way, here are the swatches. Anyways, and I don't mind that because I'd use this one as my transition shade, and then I would use this one over here as kind of like the overall crease, and I would deepen up corners with that one. So for me personally, that's fine because then you have like a wide selection of like shimmer shades that can be used to change up the look. Like I can create a different look depending on which shimmer shade I use, but when it comes to just mattes, you are pretty limited to the selection. But I think it looks good, and they were all very pigmented, blended out really well. The shimmer shade that I used was very pigmented, so overall pretty good. And like I said, I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm pretty happy to be trying something out from this brand. Alrighty guys, so that is everything in my box. So now I'm just going to tally up everything in my box and tell you guys what my overall value of my box for this month is. So the overall value of my box was $169.49. Not too shabby, considering I only paid $25 for this box. Alright, so now I'm just going to run through the products one more time and let you guys know whether or not I really thought this box was worth it this month. So for skincare, I think it was pretty balanced. I mean, we only got 2 this month, and that's kind of what I prefer when it comes to if I have to have skincare. I want more makeup than skincare, and I definitely got that this month. This product, I'm not really for sure. The True and Luscious product, the plumping and lip and eye serum, I really don't know what that means. I'll try it, but I mean, this is definitely not something I would have gone out and bought myself. I don't mind the sound of this Volition one, the correcting oil. I think it sounds interesting. I do have some areas that I would like correction on, so I'm excited to have this. So those products, I think I could have lived without this one, but I am excited for the oil. Alright, and then for the makeup products, definitely the bronzer is my favorite out of the box this month, and I'm pretty pleased with the palette that I got. I think it's a pretty gorgeous palette, very unique looking. I definitely don't have anything like this style in my collection. I definitely have these colors, well, like the mattes, I definitely have those, but it's just a very unique looking palette, and like I said, I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm glad to have this. This product right here, I feel was just a throw-in product. I don't like getting these. I really don't like getting these multi-purpose products. I never use them. They just end up getting passed along, but someone else might like them. It's just, for me personally, no. But yeah, do I think this month was worth it? Yeah, because I got 3 products here that I will be using a lot of, especially these 2 makeup products, and then I always like getting skincare. So I think if I had gone in and to like TJ Maxx and came out with paying $25 for these 3 things, I would have been really happy. So I think this month's box is worth it for me personally. But that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel here. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of my box today. Did you think it was worth it? Or would you have been like, nah, girl, I wouldn't have been happy with that. Let me know down in the comments. I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!